Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so excited, if you couldn't tell by the ginormous smile on my face, because I am going to be stretching my ears again. And I say again, and y'all wouldn't even know this because I actually did stretch my ears when I was in high school. I believe I was a sophomore, and I think I had them for like, I don't know. I stretched my ears for probably like close to 2 years, I think. I might be guessing it might not be, but either way, I did stretch my ears, I believe, until I was a size 2 or 4. I don't know, but they were a nice cute little size. They weren't anything too crazy. A lot of you guys might like, this might be very new to you, so you're probably just like, girl, I don't even know what a 2 or a 4 would look like. And that's okay, because eventually you will. And if I can find a chart that shows the different sizes and what they look like, I will definitely put that up so you guys can see. But if you're wondering why I'm doing this again, or why I stopped, actually let's talk about why I stopped first. I stopped because I don't think I was really ready to stretch my ears. So my best friend, her boyfriend at the time was like really into it. He got her into it, I think. Or I don't know, like they were doing it together. He was like, Des, like you should do it too, you know? And I was just like, fuck it, why not? So I did it. And I actually ended up really loving them and loving the jewelry that I had for them too. I also did run into the issue where I blew out my ears. And if you don't know what that is or what that means, it's basically when you try to move too quickly and go too fast to the next size. You didn't give your ears enough chance to actually stretch and get comfortable at the size that they were at. So what happens is when you try to put in the next size up, you're literally like pushing the skin like from inside out, if that makes sense. So that's why they call it blowing out your ears, because it'll be like all bloody and crusty and gross and red and inflamed, and it just looks like, you know, you blew up your ears. So it was pretty gross. It was pretty bloody. It was not fun. I ended up having like a really big headache for like days before I realized what I did. I know what to avoid. I know what not to do this time. So I really just feel like I'm ready. I got this kit off of Amazon. It comes with tapers, plugs, and the silicone hole things. I forgot. There's a name for them, but I forgot what it is. Let me look it up because it's gonna make me mad. I don't know. Ah, tunnels. I knew there was a special name for them, tunnels. I got this kit off of Amazon. They are not expensive at all. So if you've ever wanted to do this and didn't know where to start, just get a kit, pick one, pick a color, design that you like, and just start that way. It's kind of backwards. So the bigger the number, the smaller the size is. It jumps by 2s most of the time. I do believe there are some that go like with odd numbers, but don't quote me on that. 1 and 2, it's not really that common. Most people just use these and they skip by 2s. So it goes from 14. I think the one I have goes to a 00. I also don't know how big I'm gonna go. So if you're wondering how big I'm gonna go, I don't know. It's just nice to have a kit to start off with, because they usually send you 3 different kinds of things to stretch your ears. Just to show you what a kit comes with, you have your taper, which is pretty obvious. It goes from small to big. It has these little stopper things. I don't know the technical term, but I'm gonna call it a stopper thing. But it has those little stopper things so it doesn't fly off your ear, fall out your ear. So this is what you would use to start with, and you're gonna use some kind of oil or a lubricant to put it through your ear, because if you were to do it dry, friction, ow, that's another way to blow out your ears very easily, and you don't want to do that. And some people like to leave the tapers in just so their ears can stretch a little bit and, you know, get used to that size before they go ahead and put a plug in, which is this bad boy. Don't focus on my face. So this is what a plug looks like. Again, it has the stopper things on each end so it doesn't come out of your ear. And the tunnel is also very self-explanatory. It's a tunnel. And this one is silicone too, so it's squishy. It's very easy to get in your ear. and it's also very comfortable to wear as well. I stretched to like a size 2 before, so they were pretty decent size for me, but because I stretched my ears to that size, they did shrink back down, but they'll always be slightly stretched. So if I'm wearing hoops, you guys know how thick hoops are or how thick they can be. Like the hoop will go right through my ear, like no problem. Like where it's supposed to stop, it doesn't. So I think I can probably fit an 8 gauge in my ear, but I'm going to clean off the 10 and 8 just in case, because if I can fit a 10 easily and it doesn't hurt or anything, I'm just gonna put an 8 in because why not? I'm gonna go clean that off with just some alcohol, nothing crazy, and then I will be back to start stretching my ears. I'm gonna be using some almond oil by the Now brand. I got this off of Amazon. You can use it on your skin and your hair, so the stuff is amazing. It just soaks up into your skin. I love it. It does not leave your skin or your hair feeling greasy. So like I said, we're gonna start with the 10s and then try the 8s. I only took one of the black things off, so it'll actually stop. I don't gotta worry about putting the front one on. I'm gonna take some of the almond oil, put a little bit on my fingertips, and then rub it on my ear, massage my ear. If you're really new to stretching, like you've never done it before and maybe you don't have the best pain tolerance, it's also recommended to do this like after a shower, like a hot shower. It's gonna be easier to stretch if it's warmed up, you know? So some people do recommend doing that just so it's a little bit more smoother, but I already know my ears can handle this, so I'm not even worried about it. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of the oil, just another drop, and I'm going to rub it onto the taper. And we're going for it. It feels so weird. I forgot how this felt, but we're definitely not going to an 8. We are definitely not going to an 8. Oh no, it's going. Oh no, we're fine with the 10. But definitely stopping at a 10, not going to an 8 for sure. Alright. Oh, it's not even fully in. What the fuck? There we go. That really wasn't bad at all. That wasn't bad. I definitely forgot how it feels. It's like you can feel it just going through the whole, oh my gosh, alright. I will say this, you know, my ear is a little tingly right now, but it's nothing like unbearable or it feels like I shouldn't have done this size. It feels okay. So we got one in, yay. Super cute. I'm so excited. I'm gonna massage this one for a little bit longer and see if it makes a difference, because it really didn't hurt. It just felt weird. It was like a little tingly, like maybe like a slight sting, but it was very quick. Like it's not like my ear is not throbbing or anything right now. It doesn't feel like super tight. Let's take this bad boy in. Okay, this one's not fun. This one is not fun. It's not fun for me. That's it. Pretty Gucci. In a couple of days, I will come back and show y'all me putting in the plugs for the size. So stay tuned and I will see y'all in a couple days. Hey y'all, so it's been, I'm looking at my calendar right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Look at my hair, y'all. It's looking a little wild, but it's been 6 days since I started stretching my ears again. I still have these tapers in. Definitely did not mean to keep them in for almost a week, but here we are, so that's that. So I'm gonna be putting in the plugs today. I am at a 10 gauge. If we forgot, I mean, it's been a week for me, but for y'all, it's been probably 10 seconds. I know it's kind of bright, y'all, I'm sorry, but that's what it's looking like. Pretty sure it's not gonna have any problem going in and out. I am gonna still apply some almond oil to my ears just in case. The plugs are already cleaned, so we're good to go. I woke up one day to one of my tapers, I believe it was this one. It was not in my ear anymore and it was underneath my pillow. So I don't know if it was me or if it was Leroy. If you don't know who Leroy is my cat. I don't know if it was me or Leroy because Leroy tends to mess with jewelry, but it was not in my ear. It went right back in my ear pretty easily. It was a little bit sore, but that's also another reason why I kind of just let them sit in my ears for a little bit longer. Ew, my ear is crusty. Let me zoom back out because if you don't know, if you never had gauges, first of all, they make your ears stink. I will tell you that right now. They make your ears stink. Like the hole itself will stink. The jewelry itself will stink. You really got to be on top of, like, you know, hygiene and everything. And so it left like some crusties around my ear. So I am going to clean around my ear first with some alcohol and this cotton pad. Ew, so gross. But yeah, my ear was hella crusty just now. I took the ring off and some crust came with it. I'm just being real with y'all. Like, that's just the life of, you know, stretching your ears. So this one doesn't seem like it's too bad. Goes in and out pretty easily. That's how you know your ear is ready for a plug or to be stretched again once it goes in and out like that. But I'm just gonna leave the plug in probably for, I don't even know how long. We don't even need the taper. Why am I even gonna do that to myself? Once I get to a bigger size, I'll probably have to definitely snake it through. But these are still really tiny, so I should be good. Do yourself a favor and don't smell your jewelry, please. You'll more than likely regret it. So now we got them in. I probably won't keep these in for long just because I know my ears are ready to go to an 8. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait. You know, patience is key. I'm not really pressed to be at an 8 anytime soon. I really just want to do this the right way and not run into issues like I did previously. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted y'all to see me actually put in the plugs. Comment below if you're stretching your ears, if you've ever stretched your ears, if this is new to you, if you don't even know who I am, this is your first video that you're watching of me, because this is something completely different than the normal content that I post on this channel. Whatever kind of content I want to create, I'm gonna create. If people are responsive to it, then they're responsive to it. If people aren't, and a small group of people are responsive to it, then I'm just grateful for that. But I really, you know, I just want to share more parts of my life and more things that I do with you guys. So here's me attempting to do that, or here's me actually doing that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.